Welcome back to Kitchen Princess Bamboo, Japanese everyday food. Today, I want to share with you how to make Holiday Wreath Tart. It's December. It's the baking season on the planet. As many of you know, we celebrate Christmas as the biggest event of the year. I have several parties in a month, and this tart is baked for one of it. It looks overwhelming, but actually quite easy to make and easy to cut and serve. Let's get started. To save your time and energy, let's use food processor to prepare pate sucre and almond cream. If you don't have one, you can do it with your bowl and whisk. Add vanilla, salt, and almond powder. Pulse to combine. Add cake flour and pulse until the dough comes together. Wrap in a piece of plastic wrap and chill in the fridge or freezer until firm. Let's move on to the almond cream. In the same food processor, put the butter in and process until softened. Add powdered sugar and process to combine. Add the egg one at a time, process to combine. You have to scrape down the side occasionally. Add salt and almond essence if you have your hand, and mix to combine. Add almond powder and mix to combine. The ratio of almond cream is so simple and easy to remember. Transfer to piping bag and set aside until used. Now let's prepare the custard cream. Put the half amount of sugar in a heavy bottom pot. Pour milk and cook on medium heat until gentle boil. Put your egg yolk in a small bowl. Add the rest of the sugar and whisk until pale in color. Add vanilla and flour and cornstarch. Mix to combine. Add a tablespoon of hot milk mixture into egg mixture and whisk to combine. Add 2 tablespoons of hot milk mixture and mix. Repeat the process one more time. Pour the egg and milk mixture back into the pot. Turn the heat to medium. Cook until thick, stirring constantly. The boiling point is different between each ingredient. We have to cook after the boiling to make sure all the ingredients are cooked. The cream should look like this and a little bit runny, and it's done cooking. Add in butter and mix vigorously until the cream comes back together. Pour out into a bowl in an ice bath to chill quickly. Now let's assemble. Take out your pate sucre and soften it with your rolling pin. Place the dough between plastic wraps. Roll out inside to outside little by little. Keep in mind that the dough will shrink if you force to roll out. Roll it out gently and slowly. Peel off a plastic and press it over the mold, the dough side down. Tuck the side down and press gently to fit to the mold. Peel off the other plastic and press the corner gently with dusted finger. Cut off the excess dough. Keep the rest of the dough for the later use. Cut out the center with 12 cm circle. Roll out the rest of the dough and make a long ribbon-shaped dough. Wrap it around the circle and set it back to the center. Prick the dough to cook crispier. Fill the shell with almond cream. Pipe it or spoon it like I do. Pop it in the 180 degrees Celsius oven for 40 to 45 minutes or until golden brown. Smell like heaven in my kitchen. Take out onto a rack and cool completely. Meanwhile, prepare the custard cream. Pass through a sieve to make it smooth. Add unsweetened whipped cream to make it lighter. You can use the custard as it is, but I recommend to mix with whipped cream because it keeps softness and tastes better. Prepare slightly sweetened whipped cream if you want to. Wash your strawberry and cut off the stem. If the strawberry is big, cut in half. Use small in size as it is. Pipe out custard in a small bowl or around the tart in 2 rows. Pipe whipped cream, if you want to, on the custard. Here comes the fun part. Arrange your strawberry as you like. I like it looks like flower because it makes as a wreath. Have fun with it or do it with your kids. Arrange blueberry as well. Place mint leaves here and there and it looks perfect. Last but not least, dust with your powdered sugar. There you have it. Well, this is for my friends, so I couldn't taste it. So I made a small one with the leftover ingredients. I think the tart has all the elements of baking. Crispy crust, rich and fatty, almond cream, custard cream is silky and creamy, and the strawberry adds the tartness. All the goodness in one piece. It tastes so good. It is definitely a crowd-pleasing dessert in holiday season. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. Visit my website princessbamboo.com for little recipe and information. Follow me on social media to see my daily activity other than the recipes. And my store on Amazon open 24/7. Go check my favorite kitchen tools and ingredients, and even my favorite TV series. Thanks again and see you in a week. Bye!